Hello everyone. I am going to discuss about the difference between stateless protocol and stateful protocol. So first point is stateless protocol does not require the server to retain the server information or session details for a process, whereas stateful protocol required server to save the status and session information for a process. Second point, in stateless protocol, there is no tight dependency between server and client. In stateful protocol, there is time dependency between server and client. Next point is the stateless protocol design simplify the server design, whereas the stateful protocol design makes the design of server very complex and heavy. Stateless protocol works better at the time of crash because there is no state that must be restored. A failed server can simply restart after a crash. Stateful protocol does not work better at the time of crash because stateful server must keep the information of the status and session details of the internet states. Stateless protocol handle the transaction very fast, whereas stateful protocol handle the transaction very slow. Stateless protocols are easy to implement in internet, whereas stateful protocol are logically heavy to implement in internet. Scaling architecture is relatively easier in case of a stateless protocol. It is very difficult and complex to scale architecture in case of stateful protocol. The requests are not dependent on the server side and are self-contained. The requests are always dependent on the server side. To process different information at a time, different server can be used. To process every request, the same server must be utilized. Example of stateless servers are UDP, DNS, HTTP, etc. Whereas example of a stateful server are FTP, Telnet, etc.